Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create WhatsApp link. So first you just have to simply launch your WhatsApp application, but you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your WhatsApp application. Creating a WhatsApp link is a simple process that allows people to start a chat with you directly. What you're going to do here is you have to use this format. You can type this format using a note, a word, or you can just basically use the search icon. Now you have to follow this format: HTTPS colon symbol or punctuation slash slash WA dot me slash your number. So basically that's it. Never use a plus symbol here. If your country code is plus 63, you just have to simply type 63950123879. Press enter, and you should see this link right here. What you're going to do next is you have to click that. Press continue or tap continue, and that's it. So here is your WhatsApp link. Feel free to share this one, copy, or paste this anywhere you wish. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.